Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of React.js to understand the folder structure of a React project and how it contributes to the efficiency and maintainability of your code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering the folder structure is key to scaling your application seamlessly. Before going to introduce the folder structure, let's discuss: why is folder structure important? A well-organized folder structure helps in enhancing readability, making it easier for you and others to navigate the project; improving scalability, allowing the project to grow without becoming unmanageable; facilitating maintenance, simplifying the process of updating and refactoring code. #standard React.js folder structure. Let's start by looking at the standard folder structure created by Create React App. Public contains the static files like the HTML file and icons. SRC, the heart of your React application, where most of your development will happen. Components, reusable components of your app. Pages, components that represent a whole page. Styles, CSS or other styling files. Utils, utility functions that can be shared across components. Advanced folder structure. For larger applications, you might want to consider an advanced structure. Contexts, for global state management using the React Context API. Hooks, custom React hooks for shared logic. Services, for managing API calls and other services. Assets, static resources like images and fonts. Best practices. Consistency, stick to a naming convention and structure. Modularity, break down components into small, manageable pieces. Documentation, keep a README file updated with the structure and changes. Understanding and implementing a proper folder structure is crucial for the success of any React.js project. It not only makes your life easier, but also sets a solid foundation for the project's future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on React.js and other web technologies. Happy coding!